I don't know what it is. You guys are having a really hard time with that. Oh, read the card. What's that? What is it?
What is it?
Elsa and Anna. What else is in there?
Oh, this is his name on it. That's Mama's. Yeah, that's Mama's.
What else is in there?
What else? What else is in there?
The blankie.
Blankie, Mommy. That's blankie. That's blankie. I have some on Play-Doh.
And what's that?
Ooh.
Oh, Jake.
Yeah, that's a Jake picture.
Let me see the other side. Oh,
there it
cool. Can hang that on the wall.
Cool.
Say thank you, Papa Ken. Look at the camera and say thank you, Papa Ken. Lana, say thank you, Papa Ken.
Thank you, Papa Ken.